Hello and welcome to Dev Day, everyone. This is your one-stop destination to hear from industry pioneers, to earn skills badges, and so much more.
This day is for you to learn, and we encourage you all to have questions ready.
Dev Day starts right now.
Anyone can now be a true wizard.
The ability to build prototypes like this really rapidly is, I think, unlike anything the world had seen.
There's a broad spectrum of safety and security risks. So the question is, what can we do? How do we mitigate these risks?
We've always felt like helping developers actually get their projects from demo into production. That's what we've always been about.
In 5 short years, AI will be bigger than the GDP of China today.
Build things that don't quite work yet, be imaginative, try to think about if AI was a bit better, a bit more capable, what you could do.
We have to change, we have to up-level, we have to understand how we are making these decisions, why we are making the decisions.
I think there's tremendous value in domain-specific expertise being combined with AI.
Thank you so much for being part of this. This is what it's about. What a perfect end to Snowflake Summit.